Are you someone who lost hope in the world? Who's looking for some sort of miracles to bring you back to you? This is for you. Trust me, I've been there. And the miracles I have experienced could inspire you. That's why I'm doing this video. April was miracle month for us in Light Wellness System. We did a lot of work. In the early May, I got a dream. It was a very strange dream. I was kind of traveling all over the world. I was in many places, and suddenly, without any transition, I was in the shrine of Velankanni in India. It's Mother Mary's shrine of Our Lady of Health. And I just woke up because it was like right in my face. I was right there. It was surreal. And following that experience, twice in my meditation, I had Mother Mary coming through very strongly, holding me, comforting me, and also she was giving me the message of hope, and she asked me to actually help people with that energy of hope. And she asked me to set up a healing chamber for that, but I was skeptical. So I asked for a physical sign. I wanted to have something tangible that tells me the experience wasn't just my imagination. Guess what? Within a day or two, someone sent me some pictures of gift items to choose from. It's a totally a different context, not related to any of this. I hadn't shared this experience with anybody, but someone, a recent acquaintance, sent me those photos for me to choose, for me to receive. Guess what? I had two photographs of Mother Mary, and one of them was exactly the shrine I went to in my dream. I'm sharing the picture here. I was literally in tears. So I've set up this healing chamber. I actually set it up for myself to experience, and I've been immersing myself in this chamber. Oh my God, the energy is so soothing and nurturing that I've never experienced before. And I've had so many changes in my body as well. It's kind of restoration, rejuvenation, anti aging, and all that. I don't want to explain it. I just want you to tap into this energy and see if it is for you. The moment you sign up, you are in the chamber, but if you like to experience, you can actually access it like a meditation and experience. When you relax really deeply in the presence of Divine Mother, your body feels safe. Finally, it starts to allow healing to reach places that you never even acknowledged before. If this resonates with you, jump in. The link is below. This moving experience led me to create a healing and comforting song with Mother Mary. That will also be a bonus for signing up. The miracle didn't end there. And in another meditation, I got a message that jasmine flower will be given to me by Lord Muruga. See, I'm not religious. Okay. I kind of embrace all the religions. So I accompanied my husband to a temple recently. So before going to the temple, I asked for a gift from the divine. So give me something today. I feel like having something from you in this world. When I got there, I saw someone holding strands of jasmine flower, which is not very common, I must say, in US. It's very rare commodity, let me put it that way. So somebody was holding it. I asked her, where can I get one for me? And she said somebody gave it to her and she shared a strand of jasmine flower with me. Wow. That was an amazing experience again. So, don't lose hope. What if miracles can be your new normal? You don't have to do it alone. All is well right now, right here. If this video helped you, please like, share, and comment so that it can reach more people.